Before starting this video, I'd like to ask you one question. Do you think artificial intelligence will be smarter than us in 10 years?
All right. Yeah, so it is no secret that in the modern world, AI is changing extremely fast. And in the past few decades, AI has made tremendous strides in a variety of fields such as computing science, healthcare, and even the arts. And I'm pretty sure that when most of us, not so long ago, or some of us, asked virtual assistants like Siri, Google, or something like that to tell us how big is Serengeti, and it showed us pictures of spaghetti, we're like, uh, I don't think that the AI is gonna, make huge achievements in the next few years.
And now?
AI has made achievements that make our lives much easier and more fun. While going to work, AI can write us a code for a calculator or some other program. While going somewhere, AI can draw us a picture of a Hulk as a cat or cat as a Hulk. In 5 minutes before class, AI can write us an essay for our courses or even a script for our next YouTube video. And the best part is, everything that was mentioned before, AI can do just in a few seconds. AI has made huge achievements and huge progress in many fields, starting from facial recognition software to self-driving cars. And it's changing the way we live and work in ways that were previously unimaginable.
But what has caused this rapid development?
One major factor has been the exponential growth of data and computing power. With the proliferation of the internet and the rise of big data, AI algorithms have had access to vast amounts of information to learn from, allowing them to improve at an unprecedented rate. Another factor has been the increased collaboration between researchers and developers from different disciplines. By working together and sharing their knowledge, they have been able to make significant advances in AI technology.
So, we know that AI is developing at an extremely high speed, but is it going to be smarter than humans in 10 years?
It is difficult to predict what exactly will happen, but one thing is certain: AI will change the world significantly. Significantly. Yeah. AI will be able to do complex work just in a few seconds, which can cause many people to lose their jobs and make some professions unclaimed. Therefore, it is also important to consider the ethical implications of AI and ensure that its development is responsible and beneficial to society.
There are valid concerns about the potential for AI to be used for nefarious purposes or to exacerbate existing inequalities. To address these issues, it is crucial that we have open and transparent discussions about the future of AI and involve a diverse group of stakeholders in the decision-making process. This includes not just tech experts, but also policymakers, ethicists, and members of the general public. One potential way to ensure responsible AI development is through the creation of regulations and guidelines. This could include establishing standards for the ethical use of AI, as well as setting up oversight bodies to monitor and enforce these standards. The future of AI is full of promise, but it is also accompanied by a number of challenges and uncertainties. By addressing these challenges and working together, we can shape the future of AI in a way that benefits all of us.
People have created technologies that changed the world many times. However, despite the fact that the world is changing at an extremely high speed, we're still able to adapt to the new rules and make them work for us. And since we know that AI is gonna change the world, I highly recommend you to get to know it better and explore this area. First, I'll recommend you to read news and make sure that you're aware of the new updates or possibilities that AI is creating. In this case, I'll highly recommend to check the website artificialintelligence-news.com. In that website, you can check the new updates, the new possibilities that AI is creating, and just random interesting facts about artificial intelligence. Second, I'm pretty sure that you have seen some pictures that have been generated by AI. For example, superheroes as cats, how some famous artists will look like in the extended version, or how different celebrities will look like if they're still alive today. Most of the pictures were generated in a DALL-E 2 platform, where you can ask AI or artificial intelligence to generate a picture just from a text that you write, or whatever that's in your mind. Next, I wanted to talk about the ChatGPT platform, where you can chat with the artificial intelligence, ask him to explain you some, biology or physics or something else. Ask him to write you code for a calculator or some other program, or write you an essay for your courses. I'll also leave the links for everything that was mentioned before, all the websites in the description, so you can check it out.
The rapid pace of change in the world makes it essential to stay informed and adaptable in order to derive the maximum benefits. One key way to do this is by embracing artificial intelligence and using it to our advantage as the world continues to evolve. By keeping up with these technological and societal changes, we can ensure that we are able to thrive in this constantly shifting landscape. And by the way, almost half of this script is AI generated, so you might have noticed that there is a lot of complex vocabulary here.